my name is Samantha and I wanted to show you 3 magical ways that you can use your bread machine. These are the ways that we use the bread machine the most in the Milner house, and you're going to love it. You know, it starts with the dough. You can make bread with it, you can make pizza with it, you can make garlic bread with it. These are just simple recipes to use if you've just got a new bread machine and you want some ideas. I love to make bread machine dough. After all, it's the reason I got a bread machine. To make an easy bread machine dough, it's just about loading the ingredients into the bread machine. I focus, or Dominic does because he makes it for me, wet ingredients first, followed by your dry ingredients. And then you just load the yeast on top, and it's the simple way to make your dough. This is the same dough that we use in pizzas, bread recipes, bread rolls, calzones, pretty much everything. And as you can see, you can also freeze it. For bread machine rolls, after you've made the dough, is so easy. You simply make them into little dough balls, and then you can choose whichever way you want to cook them. We prefer the air fryer because it gives it a lovely golden glow on them, and they are just absolutely fantastic. Depending on how big your air fryer is, I recommend normally about 4 at once, but if you've got a bigger air fryer, you might be able to do 6. Smaller ones might be down to 2. Though in our Philips, we can do 5 at once, which is fantastic. And look at the golden glow on those. They're absolutely fantastic. Bread machine bread. If you'd rather go straight in with the bread, it's the same method as making the dough, except you're swapping the button for the button for a loaf of bread. It means that you don't have to mess around, you don't have to even touch your dough. You're literally dumping the ingredients into the bread machine. When the bread machine is done, it's beeping, telling you you've got perfect bread, and you literally load the bread onto a worktop and slice it. It's just as simple as that. I mean, look at how good that looks. We don't have a big crust on top because we're feeding kids and they always do the "we hate crust" line all the time. So you simply slice it and then butter it up with your favourite toppings, and it's ready to consume. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.